Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by establishing one source of truth, the master file. Open your template, set the slide size to 16:9 and save as PPTX. This prevents mismatched exports. Once done, create section headers for the narrative flow and lock in typography and color styles so every slide reads as one voice. Then import logos and icons just once, position a half-inch margin guide, and save a versioned copy. This first work prevents manual rework later. Now focus on execution. Create master layouts for titles, two-column content, and data-dense visuals, and place standardized placeholders so you can swap content without breaking alignment. Populate slides with concise 1-2-sentence takeaways, not paragraphs, and anchor charts to the grid to keep spacing perfect across screens. Use vector icons for scalability. Compress images to about 150 ppi for smooth performance, and verify contrast so text remains legible in any room lighting. You complete the deck by trimming duplicates in slide sorter and rehearsing timings. Keep transitions subtle, around 0. 3 to 0. 5 seconds so motion supports meaning. Export a PDF for print and an MP4 with narration for remote viewers, embedding fonts when necessary. Finally, test on an external display and run accessibility checks. If something breaks, revert to the last version copy, inspect master slide overrides, and reapply the correct layout. That single step often fixes broken format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.